Now we'll start examining each of the modules that we have available inside the Stova mobile app. I'm going to click on the word module itself here on the left hand side, and all of my available modules are displaying here on the right, and I have yet to activate or turn any of them on. On the left hand side, I'm showing you a display of my mobile phone. I have downloaded the Stova app. I went to my Apple store. You can go to your Apple or your Android Google store and search for the word Stova, and you will find this app. When I first launched this app, this is the Stova container. It is asking me for the code to find this event, and you can make that passcode your own. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the code that I have given this event and click on submit. Next, it will prompt me to log in to this private app using my assigned username and password, and those are the two fields located under the event itself in the Registrant Rules tab, and for this event I have assigned it as email and first name. I'll enter in those two parameters and click on Login, agreeing to the terms of use and the privacy policy tick box. When I first land on the actual app, I'll see the home screen populate, and there will be nothing listed under modules because I have yet to turn on those modules. Before I head into each of these modules, I want to bring your attention here to the menu configuration. This is the home screen configuration, where I can turn this to small icons or big icons, or I can assign it its own image menu. Inside here, if I head over to the home configuration, I can turn on a few of these widgets to appear on the home screen. For example, we might want to include featured speakers, featured sponsors, or featured ads. Those widgets will now start to populate once I have put some information in those widgets on that home page. If I head back to the menu configuration tab, I'm going to be able to add more quick buttons here at the bottom. So I can click on that plus sign and assign another module in there. Nothing's listing for me at the moment because I need to add in some modules and wake them up. My notification bell is going to appear at the top of my mobile app, and I could take that off that top menu and put it in a different spot inside the mobile app if I wanted to. So I could unassign it from that little notification bar at the top. So as I am turning on and off my modules, building my mobile app, I'm going to return to the menu configuration and the home configuration periodically to see what those settings are if I move things around. These lists of modules that you have available to you are the pre-baked modules. All of them have their own little features that we'll dive into, but you could add in your own web module. This web module will allow you to put in an icon or a link to another website. I can indicate that that should open in an external browser. I could select which categories should see this module, or I can turn it on for all of those categories by using this toggle switch on the top and clicking on continue. I could add a translation to that module and click on done. I can add in a catalog module. I might see this used for the Wi-Fi information, and I could display it as an image or just with that text. And once I initiate the creation of this catalog module, I can make it visible to all categories or a select few. And now I can add some content into that catalog module. You can see now it's going to be listed at the very bottom. I can choose when to make it visible on my mobile app. Now we can start turning on and off the various modules and seeing how they display on my app on the left hand side. I'm using a screen share on my iPhone with my Mac to display the image of my phone here on the left hand side. So as I turn on and off these modules and play around with their settings, we're going to see those modules appear on the left hand side.